Now tense change. Now we will see how we can change the tenses in the reported speech. For example, we have direct speech and this is indirect speech. If verb first form is given, you will be converting to the second form verb. For example, he said, I sing a song. So he said that he sang a song. You will be using joining word that and you will be using the second form of verb. Then if in the direct speech helping verbs are is, are, am, so you will be using was were in the indirect speech. For example, he said, I am alright. He said that he was alright. So you will be using that after removing the inverted comma and you will be converting the auxiliary verbs to was and were. I hope it is clear to you all. If has and have is given in the direct speech, you will be converting into had in the indirect speech. For example, Hema said she has brought me some apples. So Hema said that she had brought her some apples. If in direct speech it is given has to and have to, you will be converting into had to. For example, I said to her, you have to hurry up. So I told her that she had to hurry up. Now if the auxiliary verbs was were in the direct speech, you will be converting them into had been. For example, he said to me, I was looking at you. So indirect speech will be, he told me that he had been looking at me. Now the remaining rules, if in the direct speech helping verbs will, shall, you will be converting into would or should. For example, she said to me, what will you do next? She asked me what I would do next. If can or may is given in the direct speech, you will be converting into could or might. For example, he said, I can type this letter. So he said that he could type that letter. If do not or does not is given in the direct speech, you will be converting into did not. For example, Tony said to me, I do not like apples. How you will be converting this sentence into indirect speech? So Tony told me that he did not like apples. I hope my dear students it is clear to you all.